It is hot in Louisiana, but doesn't matter. We're gonna make some man glitter. We are gonna cut, and then we're gonna split. Probably not gonna split the same wood I cut because I've got oak ready over there that I need to split, already bucked up. But let me show you what I need to get to work on. I need to cut some post oak. Go ahead and get it cut. Maybe get it to start drying a little, get it a little more manageable so I don't have to tractor everything around. But yeah, we've got some post oak from the tree service, and we need to make some barbecue wood. Our barbecue customers have adjusted. We used to do a lot of pecan, and now it's a lot of post oak. So already cracking in some spots, so maybe it's drier and we can actually use this pretty quick. But yeah, we're gonna go get the file, sharpen up we're gonna use a little saw, 290, and get to work. That was a pretty unsuccessful cutting day. I got to sharpen this saw significantly. You saw me put a little edge on it. It worked for about one log, might have hit the dirt. It's dull again, and I'm not going to fight with it. I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and do some sharpening and go ahead and get some of this post oak bucked up. And then I'm going to do a little splitting before it gets up to 100. I think 110 is the heat index. But got some stuff going on today, so I don't have a lot of time to be fighting with a camera, fighting with a log, fighting with a dull saw. So I think Abraham Lincoln said, if you give me 8 hours to cut down a tree, I'm going to spend 6 hours sharpening the axe. So maybe I should have spent more time sharpening the 290. Pretty dull. So we're going to see if we have a fresh chain in there. If so, I'll get to cutting. If not, I'll get the file out and get to it. But y'all don't want to see all that. So, hey, if you haven't liked or subscribed to the channel, please do so. And you'll see some more exciting footage than me fighting with a dull saw. Peace out.